Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. In this video, we are going to solve a problem boards to save people. So guys, your TCS NQT and Wipro LTH exam is approaching, and in both the exams, coding plays an essential role. That's why I have made this video. So let's watch the video till the end and try to build your own approach as well after watching the complete video, and comment your approach in the comment box, right? So guys, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel, right? And without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so the question says, you are given an array people where people I is the weight of the ith person and an infinite number of boards where each board can carry a maximum weight of limit. Each board carries at most 2 people at the same time, provided sum of the weight of those people is at most limit. Return the minimum number of boards to carry every given person, right? So the thing is, an array of people is given to us and each element denotes the weight of the person, right? So a boat is there which is carrying at most 2 persons, like 2 or less than 2, that is 1 only, right? So for carrying the persons, there is a limit decided. So what you have to do, so we have to take care of this limit. It is given that the sum of the weight of the peoples, suppose you consider 2 element of the array, because at most it can take 2 only. So the sum of these 2 elements should be less than the, or like equal or less than the limit. So we have to take care of this. Now we have to determine the minimum number of boards that are needed to carry every given person, right? Okay, so let's understand this with the help of example. So there is an array people equal to 1, 2, limit is 3, right? So you can see 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 less than equal to 3. Condition is satisfied. So only 1 board is needed. Next here is, so you can see here it is people equal to 3, 2, 2, 1, limit equal to 3. So here what we can say, or what we can see basically, so 3 is less than equal to 3, right? So in that case only 1 person can go in 1 boat. Remaining are 2, 2 is 4, obviously we cannot take them. So 2 plus 1 is less than equal to 3. So in 1 boat we can have 1 and 2, and this in another boat we can have this 2 only, right? So for this 3 boards are needed. And let's see this example as well. So 3, so here you can see 3 plus 5, this is greater than limit, so obviously we cannot consider this one, right? So 3 will be individual in a boat, 5 will also be an individual in a boat, 3 will also be individual, and same for 4. So that's why in this case 4 boards are needed, because you can see summation of 2 elements is always greater than the given limit, right? So let us see how to solve this problem. So I will solve this problem using Python. First of all, what we can do, we are having an array people, right? So for example, it is having 1 and 2, 2 elements, limit is given to us as 3. So what we can do, first of all, here you can see elements are already sorted, right? Although where we were having this array like this, so 5, 3, 4, 3 like this. So we were having elements like this in this particular array of people. So what first of all we have to do, sort the array, right? So first we have to sort our array. For example, let's take this one we sorted. So what is going to be sorted array then? 3, 3, 4, 5. Next what we can do, we can use a 2 pointers approach. What is this? Let's take a pointer, or like let's take a variable which will point to the first index of the array. So let us initialize it with 0, and another element e which will point to the last index of the array. So let us suppose that the size of array is n, so it is having n minus 1, it is assigned as n minus 1, right? So what we will check, first of all we will check that this s value should be less than e, right? First of all we will check this one. Next we will see that if the summation of the first element and this last one, basically the people of s and people of e, so the summation of these two, right? So the summation of these two, if it is less than limit, so what we will do, we will increment the value of s by 1, or we will move further, right? So what I am trying to say is that, so here we will write that if people s plus people e is less than or equal to limit, whatever our limit is, we will just increment the value of s by 1, right? Otherwise, if this is not the case, that always we have to consider bigger element, right? Bigger element we have to always consider, that is 5. So 5 is suppose limit here was 4, right? So 5 is already greater than 4, so we have to consider it. For this one we need a kind of individual boat, right? So obviously this e is always going to be subtracted by 1, or like it will move to this left direction, no matter whether this condition, this people s plus people e is less than equal to l is satisfied or not, right? So according to this, what we will do, we will also take a counter variable, let it be c, and we will increment the value of c, right? And like this is the approach that we can use to find a solution for this problem, right? So for example, let us take the case of this one. So 5 3 4 3 and limit equal to 4, that is given. So here we will do, while s less than e, okay, then people of s plus people of e is less than equal to limit. In that case we have to increment the value of s by 1, right? And this we have to do, and just increment the value of count by 1, right? So count is initialized by 0. Okay, so let us see. Right now the value of s is here and e is here. So s is here, e is here, right? So 5 plus 3, that is 8. So 8 is less than equal to 4? No, right? So what will happen? E will be decremented and will move to 4. Also the value of count is now 1. Okay, now we will do 5 plus 4. Is this less than equal to that is 9 less than equal to 4? No, right? So what will happen? E value will be decremented and it will move to here, and count value is now going to be 2. Okay, 5 plus 3, so 8 less than equal to 4? No, right? So in that case also c is going to be 3. Okay, and now what is the remaining condition is that now the value of e will be decremented and it will move to here. Okay, and okay, so we have to kind of run this up to less than equal to e, right? So now e is going to be decremented and now s and e both are equal. So in that case 5 is less than equal to 4? No, right? So now c is going to be 4. Also e value is going to be less than s, right? So we will come out of the loop, and what is the value of count? That is 4. So the minimum number of boats needed are 4. Okay, so this is the approach that we can use to solve our problem, and let us see to how to implement this approach, and I hope that you understood the approach. And let us sort our array. So we will basically use the sort function that is present in our Python, right? And next what we have to do, let's take a variable s and e. So s is initialized with 0 and in e we will have length of people minus 1, right? And let's take a count variable c, right? Now we will run a loop while s less than equal to e. In that case we will check if people s plus people e is less than equal to limit, right? In that case, what we will do, we will increment the value of s by 1, and here we will decrement the value of e by 1. Also we will increment the value of count by 1, right? And after coming out of this loop, we will just simply return the value of count. So let us run this one. Yeah, it got accepted. Let us submit this one. Okay, so it got accepted as well, right? So you can see it is giving that it is 83.08% faster than other Python solution, right? So even you can think your own approach and you can comment it down. I would love to read this. Thank you so much for watching this video and keep preparing with us. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and bye bye.